Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Students, today I will make you understand the concept how to form the greatest and the largest number with the help of given digits. To form the greatest number, you have to arrange the digits in descending order. Descending order, as you know, that is the biggest to the smallest number. Okay, and if you want to form a smallest number, arrange the given digits in ascending order, means from smallest to biggest. Okay, if 0 is one of the digits, means if 0 is there in that given digits, what you have to do with the 0? If you want to form a greatest number, what you have to do? Firstly, you have to place the 0 at last to form the greatest number. Place the 0 at the second place from the left to form the smallest number. To form the smallest number, you have to place the 0 at the second place from the left, as 0 in the beginning of a number has no value. For example, let us understand the concept with the help of example. Use the digits to form the smallest and greatest number. See, we have digits 0, 1, 7, 5, 3, 4, 2, 6. With this given digit, we have to form the greatest number and the smallest number. As you know, for forming the greatest number, we have to arrange them into descending order. So the first number that come is the biggest or the largest number, that is 7. 7 is in this given number of digits. 7 is the largest number. So what we have to do, we have to write 7 first, then smallest number 6, after that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. This way you can form the greatest number. Then the smallest number. Smallest number, how to form the smallest number? What you have to do, see, 0 is there, 0 is written in this digits. So what you have to do, we have already read the rule that 0 we have to place at the second place from the left hand side. As you know, 0 in the beginning of a number has no value. If we place 0 in the beginning, so it the value of that 0 is nil. Okay, so the smallest number, how you will make that smallest number? Firstly, you will see the smallest number, that is means larger than the 0. So after 0, the larger number came is 1. You have to write the 1 first, 1. Then you have, on the second place you will write 0, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means you have to write your number in the ascending order and place your 0 at the second place from the left hand side. Okay, so to form the smallest and greatest number with the repetition of one or more digit, means if you want to form a smallest or greatest number and you have to repeat the numbers, or you have to repeat the one or more digit, how you will do it? Let us take an example and understand the concept. For example, form the greatest 5 and 6 digit number with the given digits. They have given us the digits, that is 7 comma 1 comma 5 comma 9. What step we have to follow to write to make it a 5 digit number or a 6 digit number? Firstly, we have to write the given number in descending order, as we have to form the greatest number. So the largest digit is 7, then the largest digit is 9, then 7, 5, 1. And the step 2 is to form, what is the step 2 to form 5 digit greatest number? Is you have to write the greatest digit in the remaining places to the left of the greatest digit. So greatest digit is 9, you have to write 9 at the remaining place. 4 digits are already there, only one digit is remaining, so you have to write 9. Okay, so greatest 5 digit number is 99,751. To form the 6 digit greatest number, write the greatest digit in the remaining places in the left of the greatest digit. See, 4 digits are already there, we have to make it 6 digit, so we will write 9 to the left of the greatest digit. Okay, so number is The greatest six-digit number is 9,99,751. Likewise, if we want to form the smallest 5-digit or 6-digit number with the digits 4862, what are the steps we have to follow? Firstly, we have to arrange our digits into ascending order. That is, firstly we will write the smallest number 2, then 4, 6 and 8. Gradually we will go towards the largest digit. Okay, step 2. For step 2, what we have to do is, for forming our 5-digit or 6-digit smallest number, we have to write the smallest digit in the remaining places to the left of the smallest digit. Like 2, 4, 6, 8 is already there. Okay, already there, 4-digit number, but we have to make it 5-digit number. We have to repeat the smallest number and we have to place it at the left of the smallest digit number. So 2 is the smallest digit number, and at the left side of the 2 we will write again 2. So the 5-digit smallest number is 22,468, and the 6-digit smallest number is 2,22,468. Okay, now we will learn the concept of rounding off. Okay, rounding off means the approximate value. Okay, when we are talking about the approximate value, we call it a rounding off. Okay, rounding off nearest tens. Okay, what are the steps we have to follow? Firstly, you have to look at the ones place. If digit is less than 5 in ones place, replace it by 0. If the digit is 5 or more than 5 in ones place, replace it by 0 and add ones to the tens place digit. Okay, all the other digits of the given number will remain the same. Okay, if we talk about the rounding of nearest 100, okay, what are the steps we have to follow? For nearest 100, we have to look at the tens place digit. Okay, if the digit in the tens place is less than 5, okay, so replace the ones and tens place digit by 0. If the digit at the tens place is 5 or more than 5, to replace tens digit and ones digit by 0 and add 1 to the 100 place digit. Okay, all the other digit of the given number will remain the same. Rounding of nearest thousand, steps to be followed. First step, look at the 100 place. Means for rounding of nearest thousand, you have to look the 100 place. If the digit at the 100 place is less than 5, replace it by 0, as well as replace tens digit place and ones place digit by 0 also. If the digit is 5 or more than 5 at hundreds place, replace all the digit to the right of the thousand place by zeros and add 1 to the thousand place digit, and all the other digits remains the same. Okay, let us take an example and understand the concept of nearest thousand, nearest hundreds and nearest tens. Okay, now first what we have to do, we have to round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. Okay, the number which is given is 434. What we have to do is, we have to look at the ones place. Okay, see, in the first example, your A part 4, if we see the ones place, 4 is less than 5. Okay, it is less than 5. What we have to do is, we have to replace 4 by 0, and all the other digits, that is 3 and 4, okay, will remain the same. 3 at tens place will remain the same, and 4 at 100 place will remain the same. So the number will be 430. Okay, if we see the B part, 38,245, if we see the ones place, firstly so we will look the ones place. Ones place is 5. So what we have to do is, we have to replace ones place by 0. Okay, we will replace 5 by 0, and at tens place 4 is written, we will add 1 to the tens place digit. Okay, if we add 1 to the 4, it will become 5. So number will be, the answer will be 38,250. So the next concept we will do, round off the numbers to the nearest 100. For the nearest 100, we have to look at the tens place. In the first part, A part, at tens place 3 is written. Okay, we will make 3 0. We will make tens place digit, that is 3 0, and ones place digit also we will make 0. We will write 0 0, as it is less than 5, as tens place is less than 5, we will write all the others numbers as it is. So the answer is 2700. Okay, if we take the another example, that is B part, we will see 6384. So for rounding off it to the nearest 100, we have to see the tens place 8 is written, which is more than 5. Okay, what we have to do is, at tens place, at ones place, we will write 0. Okay, on both the places we will write 0, and we will add 1 to the 100 place digit. See, 3 is written, we will add 1 to the 3, it will become 4. So the answer will be 6400. Okay, now we will take another example, round off the numbers to the nearest thousands. So we will, for that we have to see 100 place, whether it is 5, more than 5 or less than 5. Okay, let us see the example. Let us do the part A. 2,54,555. If we see the hundreds place, 5 is written. What we have to do is, we have to replace all the digits to the right of the thousand place by 0. Okay, means if we see 4 is written at thousand place, and to the right of that 4 we have to make it 0 0 0. So 3 0 will come, at 100 place 0 will come, at tens place 0 will come, at ones place 0 will come, and at 1000 place 4 is written, we have to add 1 to 4, so it will become 5. Okay, so answer will be 2,55,000. And if we see the B part, 3,89,265, at 1000 place, if we see, sorry, at 100 place, if we see, if we look if we look at the 100 place, 2 is written, which is less than 5. Okay, what we have to do, we have to replace all the digit to the right of the thousand place by 0. Okay, we will replace it by 0. So we will write at 100 place also, tens place also, and ones place also 0 0 0. And at 1000 place, the number will remain the same, 9 and 9. At 10,000 place, 8 is there, so it will remain the same, 8 will be there. At lakhs place, 3 is there, so the number will remain the same, 3 will be written. Okay, so what we have to do is, all the other digits remain the same, only we will change or we will replace the digits that is written to the right hand side of the thousand place. Okay, this is the concept of rounding off. Hope you will understand it. Practice it as much as you can. Thank you and have